Today we'll discuss other types, type 3, type 4, type 5 and onwards. But in my previous video, I have taught you already type 1, that is number 1 to 8. What are those? Those are the problems of type sin mx, cos nx, cos mx, cos nx, sin mx, sin nx. Means one sign, here not power, here it is angle. Sin cos, both sign. It is on type 1. It is in the product, and you know how you have to convert the product to addition form. Next, on type 2, I have taught you sin power n or cos power n. In there, either you have to convert power to angle or break the order. It is type 1 and it is type 2. Next, today I will discuss, look at here. See the difference. It is sin into cos and all are in angle. It is sin power, cos power. And you have to convert either to angle or to break the order. Here sin power m, cos power n, both are multiplied. Here only sin power, only cos power. Here sin power into cos power. And these are 3-4 problems. Now here, when both are power, raised power, here one is angle, one in power. That is sin power n, cos power n, or cos power n, sin power n. And these are different types. And here this is the division of power. That is multiplication of power. Here division of power, sin and cos. Here division of angle, sin ax, sin bx, cos ax, cos bx, all this. Today I will discuss about type 3, type 4, type 5. Okay? Take the screenshot of these problems. Now I am doing number 15. Now look at that. Here both powers are odd. So formula is my break the odd. But you have to break which power? Either you can do either cos x you can write. If you will write cos x dx, then it is cos to the power 4 into sin qx. Now look at here, cos x dx. Whose derivative is cos x? Derivative of sin x. Then you have to convert every term to sin. That is, it is integration cos square x square. That is 1 minus sin square x whole square into sin qx. Then put t is equal to sin x. Put t is equal to sin x. Then proceed dt is equal to cos x dx. It becomes 1 minus t square whole square into t cube into dt. Then you have to multiply this, expand the a minus b whole square, then do. Or you can do this problem by another method. Look at here. Or you break this cos x. Now you can break this sin. Now it is sin square x into sin x dx. Now it is cos power 5. Sin x dx. It is the derivative of cos x. So convert everything to cos. It is already in cos. Now it is cos 5 into 1 minus cos square x into sin. It is derivative of what? Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So you have to multiply minus sin here. Then it is in the form put t is equal to cos x. It is derivative of cos x. It is minus sin x dx. So this minus I am multiplying here, so it is adjusted here. So it is minus integration t5 1 minus t square into what? dt. Here what if you put it is in the form in 1 minus t square whole square t cube dt. If you will put t is equal to sin x. Look at here. This integration is simple or this integration? Which one? Naturally this one is simple. So when you break, you should break the smaller one. Okay? Don't break the bigger one. If you will break the bigger one, it will difficult. But if you will break the smaller one, it will be more easy. Okay? So do this. Mind it, both answers will differ. Here answer will be in terms of sin x. Here the answer will be in terms of cos x. But both answers are correct. Okay? And take the screenshot of this problem. After this you can do it. Okay? Now as question number 15. Which one in question number 16, which one has the smaller power? This power is smaller. So we have to break this smaller power. Then what you have to do? Keep as it is. Do cos square x and take cos x outside. If it is cos x, convert everything to sin as the big power in sin. So it is very interesting now. It is 1 minus sin square x cos x. Cos x dx is the derivative of what? Derivative of sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x into dx as the variable is x. So put what? Put t is equal to sin x. dt is equal to cos x. This is equal to t to the power 20 into 1 minus t square dt. It is t to the power 20 dt minus t to the power 22 dt. It is what? T to the power 21 by 21 minus t to the power 23 by 23 plus c. If we will put the value of t, that is sin x power what? 21 by 21 minus sin x power what? 23 x by 23 plus. Okay? Look at here. Here sin and cos, every power is even. In this case, you have to convert the power. If sin and cos has even power, then you have to convert the power to angle. You have to convert the power to angle. In which way? Now look at here. It is sin fourth into cos fourth. So multiply 16 here. Divide 16. Why you divide 16? 16 sin fourth into cos fourth. And this write as 2 to the power 4. It is 1 by 16. 2 sin x into cos x to the power 4. It is 1 by 16. 2 sin x cos x is what? Sin 2x power 4. It is 1 by 16. Sin square 2x whole square. It is 1 by 16. What is sin square 2x? It is 1 minus cos 4x by 2 whole square. Now, its square is what? 4, and it is 1 by 64. It is what? 1 plus cos square 4x minus 2 cos 4x. Okay. And this is cos square 4x is what? Cos square 4x is, and you have to convert. Take the note. Okay. Now, I am going to this step. It is what? 1 by 64. It is 1 by 64. Now, 1 plus. What is cos square box. What is cos square box? Mind it, the formula. Remember, it is 1 plus cos 2 box means 8x by 2 minus 2 cos 4x. And the result is what? Take LCM or multiply 2 here. 128. Then multiply 2 to each term. It becomes 2. And it becomes 1 plus cos 8x minus 4 cos 4x. It becomes 1 by 128. 2 plus 1 is 3 minus cos 4x plus cos what? 8x. Look at this place. Now it is your what? It is your sine 4th into cos 4th. Now if you will integrate it, sine 4th into cos 4th dx, its integration is 1 by 28, 1 to 8. It is 3 dx integration, 3 dx integration, 4 cos 4x integration plus integration of cos 8x dx. What is the result? The result is 1 by 1 to 8. It is what? 3x minus 4. What is integration of cos 4x? Cos mx. 1 by 4. Derivative of cos is minus. Integration of cos is plus. So it is 1 by 4 sine 4x plus 1 by 8 sine 8x plus c. Okay? You can cancel this. Okay? Now look at the problem number 18. Here both power are even. Don't write integration every time, dx every time. It will take your more time. So first write sine power 4 cos square x. It is even. So my intention, convert this even power to angle form. Okay. It is sine square x into cos square x. Multiply 1 by 8 and multiply here 2, here 4. Why you multiply 2 here? 2 sine square x. It is 1 minus cos 2x. If you multiply 4 cos square x sine square x, it is 2 sine x cos x whole square. Okay. That is sine 2x square. And 1 minus cos 2x, it is sine square box. It is 1 minus cos 2 box. That is cos 4x by 2. 2, 8, 1 by 16. 1 minus cos 2x, 1 minus cos 4x. You have to multiply 1 minus cos 2x minus cos 4x plus cos 2x cos 4x. 1 minus cos 2x minus cos 4x plus 1 by 2. Here multiply half, then 2. 1 by 2, 2 cos 4x cos 2x. It becomes what? It becomes... Now it is 1 minus cos 2x minus cos 4x. 1 by 2, 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos a cos b is cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. And now you have to multiply here 2. Then you have to multiply 2 each term. 2 minus 2 cos 2x minus 2 cos 4x plus cos 6x plus cos what? 2x. It becomes 1 by 32. 2 minus, look at here, minus 2 cos 2x plus cos 2x. It is minus cos 2x minus 2 cos 4x minus 2 cos 4x. Now it is cos 6x. Look at here. Total sine 4th cos square x expansion is this. It is in the form of angle. Now it is the form of power. Convert it to form of what? Angle. Then you can integrate it. Integration of sine 4th into cos square x dx. It is 1 by 32. Integration of 2 is what? 2x. Minus, what is integration of cos 2x? It is 1 by 2 sine 2x. Minus 2. What is integration of cos 4x? It is 1 by 4 sin 4x plus its integration is 1 by 6 sin 6x plus 6. So you can cancel this, it becomes half. It is 1 by 2 sin 2x. Okay, this is your answer. Further you can simplify it. It is one angle, one power form. Either you have to convert everything to angle or you have to convert everything to power. Here it is very simple form. Here, look at here. It is sin 3x and you have to convert this. It is easy to convert to power. Angle form. 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Then after simplification, it becomes 1 by 2 integration sin 3x dx. Sin 3x into 1 plus 1 by 2 integration what? Sin 3x into cos 2x dx. Now multiply 2 here, then multiply 2 here, it becomes 1 by 2 into, what is integration of cos 3x, sin 3x? Minus 1 by 3 cos 3x plus 1 by 4. What is the value of 2 sin a cos b? It is what? 2 sin a cos b. It is sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. So it becomes what? Minus 1 by 6 cos 3x plus 1 by 4 integration of sin 5x dx plus 1 by 4 integration of sin x dx. It becomes minus 1 by 6 cos 3x plus 1 by 4. What is integration of sin 5x? It is 1 by 5. Integration of sin 5x is minus cos 5x plus 1 by 4. Integration of sin x is minus cos x plus c. It becomes minus 1 by 6 cos 3x minus 1 by 20 cos 5x and it is minus 1 by 4 cos x plus c. Or you can convert this sin 3x to form 3 sin x minus 4 sin qx. Okay, it is, you can also do by that method. That is थोड़ा lengthy होगा, लेकिन you should do this method. Okay. Look at this problem. First I am simplifying this cos 2x sin 2x, converting all to angle. It is 3 sin x minus sin 3x by 4. Then multiplying it, taking 1 by 4 outside. 3 cos 2x. Mind it, the bigger should be front in the initial position. It is cos 2x sin x. It is sin 3x into cos 2x. Then multiply 2. And if you multiply 2, it is 3. 2 times of cos 2x sin x. And it is 2 times sin 3x cos 2x. 3. 2 cos a sin b. It is sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Minus 2 sin a cos b. It is sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. After simplification, it becomes this. Now we have to integrate. When we integrate this, it becomes what? It becomes 1 by 8. It becomes 1 by 8. Integration of 2. Integration of 2 sin x plus 3 integration of sin 3x minus integration of sin 5x dx. It becomes 1 by 8. It is 2 minus 2 cos x. It is 3 1 by 3 cos 3x. It is minus, then it is minus 1 by 5 cos 5x Okay, and your final answer will be what? Will be 1 by 8. Taking this to the front, it becomes 1 by 5 cos 5x minus cos 3x minus 2 cos x plus c. And it is your answer. And you can also simplify this. Okay. I have told you the type 5 is either sin of power m by cos of power n or sin angle by cos angle, everything. In division form, power division or angle division. Power division, angle division. Look at here. It is power division. Break the odd. That is sin square x by cos 6 into sin x. When it is sin x, convert everything to cos. It becomes 1 minus cos square x by cos 6x sin x dx. Put t is equal to what? Put t is equal to cos x. dt is what? Is minus sin x dx is equal to, it becomes 1 minus t sixth by 1 minus t square by t 6 into what? Sin x dx is minus dt minus, and its integration becomes 1 by t6 is t to the power minus 6 plus 1 by t square by t6, it is t minus 4 dt, it is minus t minus 5 by minus 5 plus t minus 3 by minus 3 plus c. It becomes what? Now take the screenshot of this. Now I am doing this. Now it becomes 1 by 5 minus minus plus 1 by 5 going outside. T to the power minus 5 is 1 by t to the power 5 minus 1 by 3 1 by t cube, and after putting the value of t is equal to cos x and 1 by t, if t cos x, then 1 by t is what? Sec x. It is sec to the power 5 minus 1 by 3 sec qx plus c. Okay. Now look at this problem. It is, don't think it is sec, it is 1 by cos. Means it is sin q by cos 14x dx, and break this all. Sin square sin x, it is cos 14. When it is sin x, you have to convert everything to cos. 1 minus cos square x cos 14. Then put t is equal to what? Cos x. Then dt is minus sin x dx. 1 minus t square by t 14 minus dt. Take minus outside. It is minus 1 by t 14 is t to the power minus 14 dt minus minus plus t to the power minus 12 dt. Now its integration is here, t to the power minus minus t to the power minus 13 by minus 13, t to the power minus 11 by minus 11, minus minus it becomes plus 1 by 13, t to the 1 by t to the power 13, 1 by t to the power 11, minus 1 by 11 here. Then put, we have t is equal to cos x. We know if t is equal to cos x, 1 by t is sec x. It is sec power 13, that is sec power 11. Okay. Now look at here, number 23. I am applying here sin c minus sin d. Here applying cos c minus cos d. Very simple problem. Sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, sin c minus d by 2, and applying this formula cos c minus cos d, minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Now this part they cancel each other. It becomes minus cot a, it is ax plus bx by 2. I am taking a plus b by 2 whole into x dx. Cot mx integration minus 1 by m ln sin mx plus c. Okay. And this is the answer. Take the screenshot of the number 23. It is exactly it is number 24. It is exactly number 23. Apply cos C plus cos D. Then apply sin C plus sin D. They will cancel and it will be in this form. Okay. In number 25, I am applying sin C minus sin D formula here. It is 2 cos C plus D by 2, that is 3x. 4x plus 2x by 2, that is 3x, into sin 4x minus 2x by 2, that is sin x. Sin C minus sin D formula is applied here. Then cos x. Then look at here. It is 3x. Everyone in x. So put here the formula of cos 3x. That is 4 cos 2x minus 3 cos x by cos x into sin x. Then divide each part. It becomes everything in x. Here 3x. You have to convert everything to x. It becomes 4 cos square x minus 3 whole into sin x dx. Put t is equal to cos x. dt is minus sin x dx. And it becomes minus 2 4 t square minus 3 dt. And when you multiply 8 t square dt integration plus 6 dt integration, and which is the result is what? Minus 8 t3 by 3 plus 6t plus c. It is minus 8 by 3. What is tq? tq is what? Cos qx plus 6. What is t? t is what? Cos x plus c. Okay? Mind it, it is very interesting problem. A cos square x plus b sin square x plus c is in denominator, and in numerator it is only sin 2x. But you have to know what is the derivative of cos square x. It is put t is equal to the denominator, derivative of cos square x. It is cos x square. So 2 cos x into minus sin x. That is minus 2 cos x sin x. What is derivative of sin square x? It is 2 sin x into cos x. That is, it is minus a sin 2x plus b sin 2x dx. So it is b minus a sin 2x dx. It is dt. Taking this here, minus 1 by a dt is sin 2x dx. And it becomes 1 by b minus a. And integration sin 2x dx is dt. And the denominator is t. dt by t is ln t. And putting the value of t, you get the answer 1 by b minus a ln a cos square x plus b sin square x. Plus here you have to put another plus c, and there is a constant c1. Okay, there is a constant c1.